today will be the last time they publicly speak on the issue until all 9 victims have been buried. Making international headlines, ISIS militants
Yeah, too hard.
against the strategic Syrian border town of Kobani today. The assault
A little too hard. Soft. Soft.
ISIS militants were battling Kurdish forces
Good
in the
boy.
town itself. A spokesman for the Kurdish forces said today's attackers entered Kobani from the west in 5 cars flying the flag of the Western-backed Free Syrian Army movement.
Good boy. Give her a kiss. Good boy.